Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to use digital stickers in GoodNotes 5. So, stickers are just images, that's right, with transparent backgrounds. You just need to click Image tool at the top and then you will have access to all your images from your iPad. Then you can select the sticker or the whole sticker sheet and add it. Here it is, one sticker. You can resize and rotate it. As I mentioned, it's just an image. So here's my first sticker. I can also use the quick menu at the top. While the image tool is selected, you can just use the quick menu to select the visible stickers there. Here it is, the second one. Okay, some designers like to attach the whole sticker sheet as one file. In that case, you will need to crop it. You can use the border cropping tool to just resize this visible area to one sticker, like this. Then click done and only one is visible. Or for strange shapes, you can also use the freehand resizing. Let's try again. This time, click crop and use freehand. Now you can draw around the sticker that you like to crop. Here it is. Done, and only one sticker now. So you can use separate stickers or whole sticker sheet, and then you will have to crop that sheet. You can also drag and drop stickers directly from storage. In my case, I'm using OneDrive cloud storage. I can just drag and drop stickers from here. Take a look. Hold it and drop here. Here it is, the sticker in my GoodNotes 5. Okay guys, I hope it was helpful for you. You can download this sticker set for free. Check the link in the description for this video. Thank you for today and see you next time.